Good afternoon, students. I am Rameshwari, JLST TTWRJC Girls Nasapur, Medak district. Now in this class, we will look into political history of Kakatiya dynasty and also famous personality in Kakatiya kingdom like Rudradeva, Ganapati Deva, Rudramadevi and Prataparudra, etc. Political history. Brief political history. As we discussed and also by scholar M. Ramarao and P.V. Shastri, Kakatiya ruler divided into two categories. One, subordinated and sovereign rulers. Subordinated, sovereign ruler. The first, we will discuss subordinated ruler. Subordinated ruler. During this period, ruler consolidated their position as subordinated chiefs. First subordinated ruler in Kakatiya was Venna area Betia. According to Bayaran Tank inscription, he was founder of the Kakatiya family, belonged to Durjaya family. Their family member up to Gundana III followed him and functioned as general in Rashtrakutas. Next, Area. He was son of Gundana, was appointed by Rashtrakutas. Gundana III was appointed by Rashtrakutas king Krishna II in Koravi region, which was owned from Eastern Chalukyas Bhima. Next was Betia. Kakatiya Gundana, Betia was succeeded by son Gunda IV. He became chief of Koravi. He was the Samanta of Rashtrakuta king Krishna III. Gundana IV succeeded Ammaraju to Kalinga and crowning Danarnava on downfall of Rashtrakutas in 973 CE. Gundana requested to submit himself to new Chalukya king. Gundana refused to submit himself to new Chalukya king, proclaimed himself as a independent king at Koravi. It was opposed by original ruler Mudigonda Tailapa to the Kalyani rulers is general area. In battle followed, Gundana IV was killed. The son of Gundana IV became an orphan. Beta I period 1000 to 1052 CE. Beta was son of the Kakatiya Gundana. Beta I ruled Anmakunda, who were subordinated Samantas to Kalyani Chalukyas. Anmakunda Vishya includes Warangal Shenigaram present Karimnagar district. Beta I got the title called Kakati Puranada. He also fight a battle with Cholas, captured Kanchi in behalf of Kalyani Chalukyas. Someshwara I, Trilokya Malla. Prola I period 1052 to 1076 CE. Prola I. After Beta, Prola I came into rule. Recognized his courage, Someshwara I has given him Anmakonda as Samanta king. Also, he got permission to use Chalukya's emblem and mint coins. Then Anmakonda became capital of Kakatiyas. He got title as Arigaja Kesari, means lion to elephant like enemies, and also he built big tanks named Kesari Tatakam, etc. Beta II 1076 to 1108 CE. Beta II. He is son of the Prola I. He was Samanta to Kalyani Chalukyas, Vikramaditya IV and Vikramaditya VI. participated many wars. Due to his bravery, he was gifted 1,000 village in Sabbi Mandalam and some parts of Mudigonda. Beta too received Shiva Diksha from Rameshwara Pandita. In return showing gratitude, he donated Shivapuram in Hanumakonda and also constructed Beteshwara temple. Durgaraju. Durgaraju period 1108 to 1116 AD. Durgaraju. He is the elder son of Betaraju too. He ruled only short period of time, 6 years. He titled with the Tribhuvana Malla, Mahamandaleshwara, etc. According to Kajipet inscription, Prola II period 1116 to 1157. Next, Prola II 1116 to 1157 CE succeeded his elder brother Durgaraja. He had a good military power as he was Samanta of Kalyani Chalukyas, Vikramaditya death. Someshwara III took throne of Kalyani, but his younger brother Tailapa challenged him. Tailapa was supported by Polavalasa, Gundaraja and Chalukya of Chief Medaraja, but Prola II supported Someshwara III, invaded Kandukuru and captured Tailapa. Also, other rivals like Miryalagudam, Polavalasa, etc. Prola II came to an end when he marched help with Cholas for suppressing a rebellion. He was accompanied by one of his general, Brahmireddy. Prola died in battlefield.